What should our profile name be?
Jander.
Jander, sure. Yep.
That's what we want.
Why is it so quiet? Alright, that's cool. Don't worry about it.
It's relaxing, you know, when you're on the phone.
But you're on the farm. So,
and such.
I picked up this.
Nice.
I picked up this game when it was on like the Scholastic book orders, you know, that you used to get at school, and I was like so pumped out, and I loved this game with like played it every day. So now I'm interested to see how well it holds up. I think we want to do a couple missions because I want to get the gator, because there was one thing that I always used to do. Let's check out the house. Honey,
all of a sudden he has no feet.
All of a sudden this house doesn't exist.
Don't
the
you
good
love
old-fashioned US of A.
Don't you love when your house is under construction and the inside?
And the inside doesn't exist. Should we go for a ride?
Yeah, let's go for a ride.
Alright, can I go just directly from here? Probably. There we go, drive it. Cool. Oh, look at this!
Nice.
Home on the range. What the
By driving into your house.
This can only go well. The chicken just beelining for Whoa, what?
So strong.
What? Holy shit! This is my dream. My one day dream of a time when... Can I go first person? Oh, I can. Oh, there's a what? Alright, let's do a mission just to make a slight bit of money. Frank Pool. Alright. Hopefully it won't take long. Oh, what's that? Let's go check it out. Oh. Oh no. That's not a good sign.
Go for it.
I can't!
Oh my god.
Ah!
A life
Shoot.
is a lie.
What about that building though that I saw? There was definitely a building over there.
A life is a lie.
I wonder if I could like glitch through this. Can I like push it over the right? Because like because it doesn't like me. Yeah, up, and over, over. I can't jump. Shoot. That's disappointing. This one I haven't played in years. Like I used to just... Oh, it's kind of compressed the resolution. That's okay. Also, it's built for like older computers, so you can't read any of the text.
Nice.
All right, let's choose our farmers. What should he look like?
Let's be Kelly.
Jesus Christ! What happened to Kelly? Why did she take over the family farm? Who chose her?
You meet Kelly and...
We can change the name... Paco.
Yes,
we can change the name of our farm. What should our farm's name be? Yeah.
Death.
Kelly. DEATHROW. Kelly and slave number 1.
Yes.
Freaking game. Oh man.
Oh, there
That's
they
Kelly.
are.
Can I tell her?
Yeah, okay.
Kelly's a man. Could
I'm all over that. No sweat. Yeah, okay.
Nope. Where's Kelly going?
I told her to go over there, but... Oh, okay, oh, I see.
I can handle that.
Oh, Kelly. Oh, Kelly. Come here, darling. She's on her way. In the meantime, what about slave number 1? Slave number 1 should be trying to make...
Okay.
No, Kelly. Kelly.
Kelly, no.
Shh, Kelly.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Alright, meanwhile, slave number 1 is gonna make a run for it.
That's what you want.
Please. Please, Kelly.
Kelly.
Kelly. Kelly. Kelly. No, no, no.
Is she gonna get out and...
No, no.
hiding in the trees?
Slave number 1 is very satisfying.
Okay.
Wait, can one run over the other?
Try it.
Okay.
Kelly gets angry because slave number 1 is
Trying to leave. Oh, he's...
Okay, get
Okay,
Kelly over
okay,
here.
slave number
You're
1.
the boss.
He's the boss. He doesn't have a choice. Okay, he's on his way back.
Wait till he gets there.
Sweat.
Well, I gotta get her back there first, and I figure we'll like set them up, and then I'll.
Right, yeah.
She'll probably try to go around him.
Yeah.
We could get a windmill. I feel like that would kind of. I can't rotate anything, but sure.
Adds to the phone.
Yeah, exactly. It proves that it's an actual farm. We could get.
Well, the sign could prove that it's an actual phone.
Oh, true.
The death
I wish that it said
family
Death Row Family Farm, but it doesn't. We can speed up time, I think. Some way, I just don't know how.
Yeah, okay. No sweat.
No. I didn't see that coming.
No.
Freaking savage. I was gonna.
I don't think slave number 1 saw that coming.
Federal prisons.
That's where Kelly's
That's where
going.
Kelly's gotta go.
No, that's where Kelly just got out of.
I can handle that.
What? Oh, that's time. You can speed up time.
Oh,
Okay.
and
Where is she
stopped
going?
She just stopped.
Yeah, okay.
Look how sad he is. Can you go in the house? You could repair it.
I can do that for you. I think I'm finished, okay?
Oh. What?
He's just.
I can handle that. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Trying to get-
okay. I'm all over that. I can handle that. No sweat. I can handle that. No sweat. Yeah, okay. No sweat. I'm all over that.
Where's he going?
He's not finished his day's work.
You're the boss. Yeah, I can do that for you.
Well,
There he goes.
meanwhile, Kelly finds out that he's trying to leave.
Yeah, okay. I'm all over that.
She's all over it.
Yeah, okay. I can handle that.
I can handle that. I'll deal with that,
Okay.
slave. He's still going. Well, be free, slave 1. Be free.